Boris Morukov of Moscow conducted an experiment to find out what happens to a person during a long journey in weightless conditions. The 11 men selected to take part in a 1-year in bed experiment in January 1986. They were required to go to bed and lie there for a whole year. The participants were aged between 27 and 42, and several of them were doctors. Most had wives and children whom they only got to see once a week on Sundays. Sounds weird? They spent 370 days and nights in a sleeping position without ever getting up or sitting up. They were washed lying down and ate, read, watched television and wrote letters in the same position. But why was it done? Since there is no possibility on earth of keeping a body in weightless conditions for a period, the effect had to be simulated. And the simplest method of doing so was to place a subject in a bed that was tilted back towards the headboard at an angle of 6 degrees. Such a position has a similar effect on the body to weightlessness, as the heart no longer has to work against gravity and so changes to a slower rate. The muscles and skeleton are partially metabolized. The red blood cell count also decreases. But the 370 days of the Moscow study went way beyond anything that had been done before. The purpose of the experiment was to test new ways of preventing the body from degenerating. After 4 months, 8 months, and at the end of the study, the men were put into a centrifuge as they lay on their beds and subjected to 8 times the gravitational force than Earth. Once the year was over, there was a 2-month period of rehabilitation. Those men had to relearn sitting and walking. There was also psychological stress. The men were put up in groups in 3 different rooms where they spent their time watching TV. Initially, they planned to learn a foreign language during their stay but gave this up after 2 weeks. Even having their food served in proper spaceman fashion in aluminium canisters didn't brighten their mood, but at least it helped furnish them with a hobby. They started making ships from the aluminium containers or medals for the nurses. They made a knight in shining armor as a present for Morukov. On their birthdays, they gave each other presents while they celebrated public holidays by throwing parties insofar as they were able to while lying flat. The boredom and the constant medical examinations also led to tensions. The occupants of one 5-man room fell out with one another so badly that one of them had to be moved out. Some marriages didn't survive the strain, and one of the men fell in love with a researcher who was working on the project. Interesting? Keep watching Thought Control for such content.